Apartment living, safety first. Living in an apartment can be a wonderful experience, offering a blend of convenience, community, and often, a more affordable living option compared to owning a house. However, it's important to remember that apartment living also comes with its own set of unique safety concerns that need to be addressed to ensure a secure and peaceful living environment. Apartment living offers convenience and community, allowing you to build relationships with your neighbors and enjoy shared amenities. The sense of community can be a great source of support and friendship, making apartment living a fulfilling experience. But it also comes with unique safety concerns. For instance, the close proximity of units means that a fire in one apartment can quickly spread to others. Regularly testing your smoke alarms and ensuring they are in working order is a simple yet crucial step in safeguarding your home. Protecting yourself and your belongings is crucial. One of the first lines of defense is ensuring that your doors are secure. Installing a deadbolt lock can provide an extra layer of security, making it more difficult for intruders to gain access to your apartment. By taking proactive steps, you can enjoy peace of mind. Always check who is at the door before opening it, and consider installing a peephole or a video doorbell for added security. These small actions can make a big difference in keeping you safe. Statistics show that apartments are more vulnerable to burglaries than detached homes. This is often due to the higher density of people and the shared entryways that can make it easier for intruders to go unnoticed. This is due to factors like shared entryways and close proximity to neighbors. But don't worry, there are many ways to enhance your security. Installing security cameras in common areas and near your entrance can deter potential burglars and provide valuable evidence if a crime does occur. Simple precautions can significantly reduce your risk. Adding a door chain lock is another effective measure. It allows you to open the door slightly to speak with someone without fully exposing yourself to potential danger. This guide provides practical tips and insights to enhance your apartment safety. From securing your windows to being mindful of who you let into the building, there are many strategies you can employ to create a safer living environment. By implementing these strategies, you create a secure environment for yourself and your loved ones. A safe home is a happy home, and taking these steps can help ensure that your apartment is a place where you feel comfortable and protected. Remember, safety is an ongoing process, not a one-time fix. Regularly reviewing and updating your safety measures is essential. Keep a checklist of safety tasks, such as testing smoke alarms, checking locks, and reviewing emergency plans, to ensure that nothing is overlooked. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you make your apartment a true sanctuary. Whether it's securing your balcony with sturdy railings or ensuring that your plants are safely placed, every small action contributes to a safer and more enjoyable living space. Windows are another potential entry point for intruders. Installing window locks can prevent unauthorized access and give you peace of mind, especially if you live on a lower floor. Using timers for your lights can also be an effective deterrent. By setting your lights to turn on and off at different times, you can create the illusion that someone is home even when you're away, making your apartment less attractive to burglars. Building a strong relationship with your neighbors can also enhance your safety. Neighbors who look out for each other can quickly notice and report suspicious activities, creating a safer community for everyone. Don't forget about the importance of securing your personal information. Keep important documents, such as passports and financial records, in a safe place. Consider using a lockbox or a safe to protect these items from theft or damage. Having an emergency evacuation plan is also crucial. Know the quickest and safest routes out of your building in case of a fire or other emergency. Practice this plan regularly with your family or roommates to ensure everyone knows what to do. Additionally, having a fire extinguisher in your apartment can be a lifesaver. Make sure you know how to use it and that it is easily accessible in case of an emergency. Carbon monoxide detectors are another essential safety feature. This odorless, colorless gas can be deadly, and having a detector can alert you to its presence before it becomes a serious threat. If your apartment has sliding glass doors, securing them with a rod or a lock can prevent them from being easily forced open. This simple step can add an extra layer of security to your home. Consider investing in a smart home security system. These systems can provide real-time alerts and allow you to monitor your apartment remotely, giving you added peace of mind whether you're at home or away. Taking a self-defense class can also be a valuable investment in your personal safety. Knowing how to protect yourself in a dangerous situation can boost your confidence and help you stay safe. In today's digital age, securing your Wi-Fi network is just as important as securing your physical space. Use strong passwords and encryption to protect your personal information from cyber threats. Finally, consider getting renter's insurance. This can provide financial protection in case of theft, fire, or other unexpected events, ensuring that you can recover more easily if something does go wrong. By taking these comprehensive steps, you can create a safe and secure living environment in your apartment. Remember, safety is about being proactive and prepared. With the right measures in place, you can enjoy all the benefits of apartment living with peace of mind. Lock it up. Basic security measures for your apartment. Start with the basics. Strong locks on all doors and windows. Invest in high-quality deadbolts for your main entryway. Ensure windows lock securely, using additional locks if needed. Don't forget sliding doors. They are often vulnerable entry points. Use security bars or a pin lock to prevent unwanted access. Check your door frames regularly. Loose or damaged frames compromise security. Reinforce them with metal plates for added strength. Never leave keys under mats or in obvious places. Give a spare key to a trusted neighbor or friend instead. Beyond the bolt-reinforcing doors and windows. Beyond basic locks, consider additional reinforcement for doors and windows. Strengthen door frames with metal strike plates. Install a peephole on your front door. This allows you to see who is outside without opening the door. Windows, especially those on lower floors, need extra protection. Tempered glass or security film make break-ins more difficult. Consider installing window sensors. These alert you if a window is open, deterring potential intruders. Tech to the rescue, exploring home security systems. Home security systems offer an extra layer of protection. Choose from various options: alarm systems, security cameras, and motion sensors. Modern systems connect to your smartphone. Receive instant alerts and monitor your apartment remotely. Visible security cameras act as a deterrent. Place them strategically to cover entry points and vulnerable areas. Consider a monitored alarm system. In case of an emergency, a security company is notified and help is dispatched. Section 5. Community Watch. Safety in numbers. Connect with your neighbors and create a community watch program. Look out for each other and report suspicious activity. Attend community safety meetings. Stay informed about local crime trends and safety initiatives. Report any broken lights or maintenance issues to your property manager promptly. Well-maintained properties deter crime. Get to know your building staff. Building a good relationship can improve communication and safety awareness. Section 6. Light up your world. The power of illumination. Good lighting is an effective crime deterrent. Ensure your entryway and exterior areas are well lit. Use motion-activated lights near entrances. These startle potential intruders and alert you to movement. Timers for indoor lights create the illusion of occupancy when you're away. This discourages burglars from targeting your apartment. Don't forget about hallways and stairwells. Adequate lighting in common areas enhances safety for everyone. Section 7. Safe habits for a secure life. Be mindful of your surroundings when entering and leaving your apartment. Avoid distractions and stay alert. Don't hold doors open for strangers. If someone asks to be let in, direct them to the building management. Be cautious about sharing personal information online or with unfamiliar individuals. Avoid posting your whereabouts in real time. When leaving for an extended period, create the appearance of someone being home. Section 8. Be prepared, emergency planning and supplies. Prepare for emergencies by creating a plan and assembling a safety kit. Include essentials like water, non-perishable food, a flashlight, and a first aid kit. Know the location of fire exits and emergency assembly points in your building. Practice your evacuation plan regularly. Keep important documents such as insurance policies and identification in a fireproof and waterproof safe. Consider taking a basic first aid and CPR course. Being prepared for medical emergencies can be life-saving. Section 9. Insurance, your safety net. Renter's insurance provides financial protection in case of theft, fire, or other unexpected events. It covers your belongings and liability. Compare policies from different insurance providers to find the best coverage for your needs and budget. Take inventory of your belongings and keep a record of valuable items, including photos and serial numbers. This helps with insurance claims if needed. Review your policy annually to ensure it still meets your requirements and coverage limits are up to date. Section 10. Stories of safety, real people, real results. After installing security cameras, I feel much safer in my apartment. Knowing my home is monitored gives me peace of mind. Sarah M. Joining the Community Watch program has made our building a friendlier and more secure place to live. We look out for each other. John B. Simply replacing my old locks with high-quality deadbolts made a huge difference. I feel more secure knowing my apartment is better protected. Emily L. These are just a few examples of how simple safety measures can have a significant impact. Section 11. Peace of mind, the ultimate reward. Taking proactive steps towards apartment safety provides more than just protection. It brings peace of mind. When you feel safe and secure in your home, you can relax and enjoy life to the fullest. Remember, safety is a continuous journey, not a destination. By implementing the tips and strategies outlined in this guide, you create a secure and comfortable living environment for yourself and those you care about. Stay informed, be prepared, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you've taken the necessary steps to protect what matters most. Your safety and well-being are worth the effort. Start implementing these tips today and experience the difference a secure home can make.